Yes, cryptocurrency is legal in India, but its regulatory status is complex and evolving. While there is no outright ban on owning or trading cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum, or others, the Indian government has taken a cautious and sometimes restrictive approach toward their use. Legal status cryptocurrencies are not considered legal tender in India. This means they cannot be used as an official medium of exchange like the Indian rupee. However, owning and trading cryptocurrencies on recognized platforms is allowed. The Reserve Bank of India, RBI, which regulates the country's monetary policy, has not declared cryptocurrency illegal, but it has expressed concerns over its risks to the financial system, especially regarding money laundering, terrorist financing, and investor protection. RBI and the Supreme Court in April 2018, the RBI issued a circular directing banks and financial institutions not to provide services related to cryptocurrency transactions. This effectively barred crypto exchanges from operating smoothly in the country. However, in March 2020, the Supreme Court of India overturned this circular, declaring it unconstitutional. This judgment was seen as a major victory for the Indian crypto community, as it allowed exchanges to resume banking relationships and continue operations legally. Taxation and regulation. In 2022, the Indian government introduced a taxation framework for cryptocurrencies under the Finance Act. A 30% tax on profits from the transfer of virtual digital assets, VDAs, including cryptocurrencies, was imposed. Additionally, a 1% tax deducted at source, TDS, is applicable on transactions above a certain threshold. These tax measures do not equate to legalization in the traditional sense but indicate official recognition of crypto assets for taxation purposes. Furthermore, the Indian government is working on a comprehensive regulatory framework. There have been discussions around classifying cryptocurrencies as assets rather than currencies. The government also introduced a bill to regulate digital currencies, but it has yet to be passed in Parliament. Until such a law is enacted, crypto continues to operate in a legal gray area, neither fully legal nor banned. Central Bank Digital Currency, CBDC. The Indian government and the RBI are also developing the digital rupee, a central bank digital currency, CBDC. This initiative reflects a broader global trend where governments are exploring sovereign digital currencies to counter the influence of decentralized cryptocurrencies. The digital rupee is expected to coexist with physical cash and aims to offer a safer and more regulated alternative to private cryptocurrencies. Conclusion. In summary, cryptocurrency is legal to trade and own in India, but it is not recognized as legal tender. The industry operates under a watchful regulatory environment with specific taxation rules. The Indian government is actively considering further regulation, and the eventual enactment of a legal framework will determine the long-term future of cryptocurrencies in the country. Until then, users and investors are advised to exercise caution and stay updated with the latest regulatory developments.